Hey there, the Wake Angel 2001, trying something I haven't done before. We're doing an unboxing video in the car. Yes, because we just left the house to go out to eat, and this package was in the mail. And it's from someone named Christopher, and it doesn't sound like a lot of packing material was used. A lot of rattling around, so I'm kind of concerned for what's in here because of the lack of packing material, so I'm opening it right now, just to make sure that whatever is in here wasn't destroyed in the rigorous process of being shipped from Oregon. Oh wow, this thing came from Oregon without adequate packaging. I'm a little scared. Okay. Ah! It is a damaged Nest figure. I remember this guy. He wants me to repaint this figure. Wow, this figure, I believe this thing is actually 3D printed. Yes. Given, it's feather light. It has virtually no, it has almost no real weight to it. And, yeah, this is a very impressive 3D printed figure. I mean, the poor thing looks like it was painted by a kindergartner, but but I joke. It's yeah. I mean, with a better paint job, this could be a really nice figure. Even comes with some alternate parts like this. Sorry about the jump cut. Phone started ringing. Anyway, this figure feels very light, and I can see the distinct lining that shows me that it's been 3D printed in some way. I know it's definitely not the same kind of plastic that my printer uses, because the joints actually hold a decent amount of friction, especially the ball joints, and my printer would never make... If I tried to print this in my 3D printer, it would shatter the moment I tried to push the parts together. I have no idea what kind of printer was used to make this, or at least what kind of filament they use. I'm gonna have to ask. Except for this, like that's not... There is zero friction there. The thing holding that in is that I'm keeping it this way. Like, yeah. I think I can do something about that. Maybe a little bit of thickening on that peg. It affects both hands, really, but it's really bad for the left hand. So, yep. Looks like, somebody had a really nice 3D printer that could make a detailed, articulated action figure like this, way better than my printer could do, but then, like, they just weren't able to paint it, so they want me to use my significant customizing skills to make it look really cool. At least that's what I'm thinking. Either that, or they had it well painted before, but something caused the paint job to get messed up. I don't know. Anyway, that is what was in this package, and that's kind of interesting. 3D printed, fully articulated Nest figure. Didn't see that coming. This is Wake Angel 2001 with a bright little halo hand. Lighting sunlight. Sun's kind of a low angle right now. But yeah, so that's that. Thank you for watching.